Welcome back to How to Kill a Kit with Style. I wanted to do a layout share with you, which is kind of cheating because I already did a kit share for this. I'm going to be using the October Mind the Scrap kits, and I have all 5 of her kits. I have the main kit, pattern paper, or the paper kit, because she does have regular cardstock, embellishment kit, mixed media kit, and the Bujo kit. Now mine's all mixed up at this point because I couldn't stop looking at my goodies. Just couldn't. Nope, couldn't. Nope. So I will show you, but I'm going to try not to carry on too long because I already did a complete share. So we have this great piece of paper here. It's from Paige Evan, Truly Grateful. So we have a front and a back because I have 2 of each. Maybe I should go this way. There we go. I have 2 of each, so you know. Then I've got Jen Hadfield, This Is Family. This really great gold color, and then this peach with gold. It's kind of like a greeny gold. Jen Hadfield, This Is Family, Home Sweet Home. So it's these great little houses. And then this really nice black and white floral. We've got Cocoa Vanilla Natural Beauty. Ooh, I better separate that out. That's hard on the eyes. Which is this great wood grain as well as a black and white floral again, but just a much finer floral. This is Vicki Bouton's Sweet Honey. See, it's hard to tell which ones I should separate out, which is gorgeous. Now, last month's Mind the Scrap kit had Vicki Bouton Ephemera in it, so, and I have some left over, so that would be great. We have Cocoa Vanilla Glorious, which is this incredibly gorgeous floral and this really nice elephant gray color. Now each month you get 2 white cardstock, 2 black cardstock, and a color, and it is this incredibly bold orange that's called Marmalade Blast. For my alphas, I've got this one right here. They're puffy and accent stickers, and it's like a bronzy gold. I mean, I wouldn't call it a gold. I don't know what color they call it, but it's the family one in thickers. And I have Pebbles Mini ABC stickers, which is just an aqua and magenta. They're nice little flat tiles. I have the Cocoa Vanilla Unforgettable foam title stickers. All kinds of words and goodness right there. Let's see. We have the Vicki Bouton 6x12, 12x12, however you want to think about it, sticker set, and it's really kind of cool because there's gold holographic on there. Look at the honeycomb stuff. How cool is that? Then I have the full set of Delightful. I'm sure that's Paige Evans' Truly Grateful line. And there's holographic again. There's so much holographic now, but it's more of a silver holographic. See that? Woo! Just beautiful, just gorgeous. So there's like fall colors in this kit, but then there's these bright pops of color. So I have no idea how that's going to go. Okay. So I have that. Now next with this kit, I know these 2 are in the mixed media kit. I can't remember if anything else was. I have this Vicki Bouton stencil set, and it has these 3 designs in it. Love the honeycomb. That's so cool. And this one has all kinds of cute little words, so you could tape off areas and all that. So looking forward to seeing what I come up with that. And then this is milk paint, and I've never used it. It's so cool. I think it's powder. Mix 1 part powder and 2 parts water. How cool is that? It's by Imaginescence. So kind of excited to see what I'm going to do with this. Okay. Die cut packs. I have the Jen Hadfield Homemade pack. It's got these great pieces in it. Lots of the blush pink in there. I think that's super interesting. There's a little grocery bag, which is so cute. It says Thankful. Kind of great for a Thanksgiving layout, but we have Happy Birthday in there. We have all kinds of little pieces. Thanks. And then the Unforgettable Die Cut Ephemera pack with all of these gorgeous florals. There's some arrows, a little bit, ooh, feathers are in there, and the most beautiful watercolor camera ever. Next, there is this Vicki Bouton Layers sticker pack. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little butterflies that will be killed off this month. Oh, now this is really interesting. Happy Jig Wire. So I'm going to be learning how to do wire things this month with this. How cool is that? Yeah, really excited about that. We have the Dear Lizzie enamel stickers. They just are called stickers, but they're little enamel bits. And I don't know if you can see, but like that's even like a little kitty cat. That's super cute. The in the Bujo kit, I know that, yeah, I was talking about that before I got a call. The vet called to make an appointment. There's a 6 by 8 inch paper stack. It's a Cocoa Vanilla Unforgettable stack. And there are 30 single-sided sheets, which means 2 each of 15 designs. So look at this. Goodness. It is just, oh, so stunning. So I have the whole pack of that, and it's not the kind, it comes like loose leaf. Oh, they're just white on the back, so if for some reason you're crazy and don't like a design, you can just flip it and use the back side. So along with that, because this was a kit, now along with that, at Rediscover Your Stash, the product focus for this month is going to be rub-ons. And I have got legit probably 40 packs of random, who knows what, rub-ons. I've got hand-me-down rub-ons. I've got vintage rub-ons from back in the day. These are hand-me-down. These are hand-me-down. I have no idea what works and what doesn't. But I am going to try to get rub-ons onto every layout this month that I do because I need those gone. I mean, half probably don't even work, so I have to open them up to see if they don't work. So that's what I'm going to be doing for How to Kill a Kit with Style is I'm going to use the Mind the Scrap kit fully. I'm going to learn how to do wire stuff. Play with milk paint. So excited. Got to see if there's YouTube videos on that. And just get creating. I'm really excited about it, friends. Okay, bye-bye. We'll see you later.